Because until you have been trained and empowered, you can't empower anyone. The reason why the Church of God in Ghana or in Africa, our impact is not solid, is that the church is not revived. Beautiful churches, but the people there, they are dead. The members in the churches are slumbering. They are unconcerned. They go to church and go home. They go to church and they go home. And some even go to church with an intention to go and marry. So they go to where they can get more men. One lady came here and said when they came here, the men are not too much. So she told somebody. I told you to go to the children's service. We have more men who are growing. Some go to church with that intention. Some go to church because they want money. So all time they all come until case. So the revival is not happening. Nice buildings, nice pastor, nice churches, but the people there are dead. The people there are very dull. When you go to church, clapping, they don't clapping, shout, they don't shout, praise God, they don't praise God, they are dull. Right, so revival restores life back to a place. In Kenya, take the content of the English. Revival restores life. In Kenya, where there is no life. Right now, if one animal is lying down here and you shake the animal, or you hit the animal, and the animal is dead, you will not move. But if there's life in the animal and you hit the animal, he will shake himself. So revival restores life to a place. Anywhere there is revival, the place is not dull. The place is not calm. You see activeness and effectiveness. Nobody is dull. So where? Do you know why? There are two things revival does. There's one thing the church have lost. We have lost the presence of God. And we have lost the intimacy of God. Hear me? Years ago, Church of Pentecost, Apostolic, and other churches we are hearing, it was founded on the basis of presence and power. Today, if you hear any Pentecostal song or some Pentecost, you feel the power because it came out of worship, it came out of prayer, it came out of fire. But today, go to the churches now. If you go to the churches now, you will see lukewarmness and dullness and carnality because we have lost the power. We have lost the presence. That's why we need revival. Are you here today? So that there will be life again restored to the churches. Can you clap your hands, jump on your feet, and shout revival 7 times? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Revival.